So my name is Itumeleng Mzonyane.
My name's Bruce.
I'm Nolbabalo Ngoba.
I'm Miles Boucher.
I've been working in Jendamark's control systems department.
In the controls department.
My title currently is Junior Controls Engineer.
Junior Control Systems Engineer.
And I've been here for 6 years now.
Since January, 6-7 months now.
So I've been in Jendamark for almost 1 year, 6 months.
On my 5th year, yeah, so 4 years.
I've been enjoying it, it's been great. There's a lot of growth working in the commissioning side, yeah.
The one thing that I enjoy working here at Jendamark is that you work on new stuff, groundbreaking stuff.
My role would basically be remote support or new projects coming in, also just basically developing code, PLC programming, function blocks, that type of thing.
Depends on where the projects are at the moment. So if a lot of the projects are sort of in the beginning stages, it's a lot of like offline programming.
I studied electrical engineering, heavy current, get exposed to different devices and stuff like that. Part of it is programming different machines.
Both electrical and mechatronics. Mechatronics will give you the better advantage because you have more PLC exposure, but also electrical qualifies.
I think a few guys that have done electrical here.
First of all, there's a lot of senior guys that know a lot and I can learn a lot from them, and there's a lot to learn.
And then we get to actually start programming machines and making sure that everything's operating as it should, and then also helping with commissioning the line on site.
Supervisors will give you a lot of responsibility, which is quite cool.
The project that I was currently working on, it was first line ever done in the car manufacturing. So
one of the more interesting projects we have coming up is the biggest diff line that we've built, or that we will have built so far. So that's going to be really fun. It's going to be all hands on deck. It's going to be lots of hard work, but it's going to be very big and very rewarding at the end. So I'm really excited about that.
That gives me motivation for me to wake up.
Yeah, if I could describe Jendamark in a couple of words, it would definitely be
Innovative.
Innovative.
3 words.
I think I would use groundbreaking. Groundbreaking, yeah.
big on growth.
Will Jendamark definitely deliver?
Okay, now we can do it for you.
Just edit it out.